Today we are diving into the Figma and I am super excited to walk you through creating your very first design file. So let's get started. As you have successfully created your account, it's time to make your first design file in Figma. Under the project Team Figma, navigate to the shining button Create New. From the drop-down menu, choose Design File. The first thing you should do is name your Figma file. Just click the untitled text and change it to whatever you want. For example, let's call it My First Design. Before we jump into the complex things, in this video, we are going to learn about the Figma interface while creating a new design. Understanding the interface is very important as it will help you with more complex cases in the future. Figma is divided into the four main areas: the top area, the left area, the right area, and the entire middle area. Let's start with the top area, which is divided into subsections. Here you can access the main menu, which we will explore in the future videos, and a collection of tools you need to design your interfaces. Tools like arrow, frame, shape, pen, text, resources, hand tool for moving and commenting. Remember, when you see a small chevron down with any tool, it means this tool has a collection of related tools. For example, the Move tool also has a Scale tool. The Region tool includes frame, sections, and slice, and the Shape tool have various options as well. We will go through each of these tools in detail in future videos as understanding the basis of this tool is very essential. In the middle of the top area, we have file organization controls. If you click on a project name, it will redirect you to your project folder. Let's go back to your file. Alongside your file name, when you click it, you will see options for the file organization. You can duplicate, delete, move, and access other options as well. We will explore these options in detail soon. Let's skip the section for now because it's too early to discuss these options. On the right area, we have what we call the property panel. For example, if you use the frame tool to create a new frame in the middle area, when you select the frame, all of its properties will be displayed here. You can increase or decrease height and width, change the color, and more. Let's skip the prototype area for now as we will discuss in the detail in the upcoming videos. Now, on the left side, there is an area where you can see your work in the hierarchy. This helps you understand how things are placed in your design frames. For example, if you create a frame and change its name to My First Frame, you will see that name in the layer panel as well. And if you add any shape, it will automatically be placed inside that frame because you have already selected this frame. With this same experience, you can explore the properties of the shape. Now, click on any shape and you will see its property and change them as needed. Let's add another shape in the same frame. Because the items are inside the frame, if you move the frame, the nested item will also move. However, if you place any item outside that frame and then move the frame, it won't affect the outside because since the frame is no longer responsible for it. In this video, we have covered the basis of how the interface works. There's still a lot to explore, but we will tackle each topic step by step with a real example. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank Moiza for starting this course and sharing her progress on Twitter. I have created a tweet template for you as well. Customize it and post it using the suggested hashtag. See you in the next video.